adjust this side. Great. And she's adjusted really nice, which she always does. Things definitely go back into place easy for her. Good. Lay on your side and face me this way. So we're going to adjust her pelvis. We're going to level this out. This is what we saw that was off kilter too. We're going to adjust her sacrum and her pelvis right in this area. It was riding up on one side. We want to push it down, make sure that's balanced out. Okay, just relax you. Great. And flip on the other side.